April, uh, and April. Today is Tuesday, February 1st, and this is our update. This repair we tried here with siliconing that flanged over the top of that rubber flange seal. It's still leaking, and we're in back of the closet right now, removing the baseboard. We're going to cut a hole in this drywall to find out where this drain pipe is. We have already made a hole here to look at the shower fixture, and again that wasn't leaking, so everything is directing towards the drain of the shower. So we're going to find out in a little bit here what's going on. We've got the water running, and we put a hole down here at the base of the pan, and we've got the water running. We're trying to find out where this leak is coming from. It's most likely coming from the drain, but we're going to find out here in just a little bit. Okay, we found the leak. Okay, right under here, this is the lip of the shower pan right here, and there's water running along behind the tile, along the edge of the shower pan, and it's dripping down here. Can you see that light down here? Yeah, it's right. Thank you. And it's coming down and just wetting this area behind the closet. So it looks like we don't have to pull the pan out, but we're going to have to replace some cement board, which is this backing here, attached to the studs. So we're going to have to cut some of this out, replace that, and then retile inside the shower. Okay, at least we found out what's going on here. So that leak is, I'm in the shower here, and these 2 or 3 tile lengths from the base up, we're going to have to cut these out and put that new concrete board in there and retile. All right, okay, that's where we're at. Our second problem is the actual door and frame itself is it's not square. So not only do we have a problem with leakage in the grouted areas of the tile on the base here and the caulk around the bottom, it's that we have a problem with the door and its rotted pieces allowing water to come through when they're in the shower. So this isn't sealing as well. Again, it's because it was installed, it's got a gap on the bottom here, and run your finger along the bottom, and it's tight here but not here. Because this was not installed properly, it's not square. And again, this area back here where more water is coming out down along here is rotting, or could rot. This wood, we got it in time, but this water is coming out there as well. So again, 2 problems. This enclosure needs to be replaced, and grout and caulking inside the shower itself. So we're cutting out the tiles there, and we notice that there's some rot behind it, and we're going to replace some of this sheetrock or the cement board prior to putting the tile back. So this is an update for you. Let me show you what we have here, and this is part of the construction of the house. Is what I'm pointing to here, this green piece, is the proper sheetrock to use for showers, enclosures. This here I'm pointing to, and this sheetrock here is regular wallboard, and that is not what you're supposed to, or what they were supposed to use when they built this shower. It's supposed to be this special wallboard made for showers throughout the enclosure. So we have to cut this out and replace this with the proper cement board, and we're going to put like a membrane flashing, so we don't have this problem again with water leaking from behind. So that's what we discovered on our tile grout and shower enclosure repair. We've taken out the shower enclosure, and we've been digging out tile and grout. Okay, and at this point we installed new cement board where we were making this repair, and prior to this we had drywall, just regular sheetrock. So we're repairing this the proper way. And we're behind the shower in the closet making the repairs to the drywall. Pretty much made a 4-foot by 5-foot sheetrock repair. And we're going to nail up the trim board and molding once we're done with this, and we're going to finish and paint this area. Okay, day 2, we're completed putting up our tile. We have to let this set till tomorrow so we can then put the grout in between the tile and add the caulk along the base edge and along the sides where we remove the old caulk and grout. Now this wall here, we had to replace sheetrock up to the wallpaper, and we're going to paint over this. This should be okay. Not much we can do. We'll then add the base molding and final trim molding, which we tore apart to remove the drywall. This is had 3 layers of mud applied to the sheetrock, so we should have this wrapped up tomorrow, and then Friday the doors will be installed, and carpet. Guy will come in and relay carpet pad in the carpet that was here. Okay, here's our update for our repaired shower pan, tiles, and a enclosed glass enclosure. That's all new. And I ran a thick bead of silicone around the base and up the sides here, so this should be all good. And our last phase of the project is to have the carpet repaired in the master closet behind here. But this is all done at this point. Looks great. Okay, this is Monday, and we're finished with this project where we actually had the carpet guys out here replaced the old carpet in the closet here. They cleaned it, so it's all done. The tenant says that the shower's working perfectly. There's no more leaks. We're all done. Okay.